What's up guys? Kumusta kayo? It's me again, Joseph Kate. So for today's video guys, let's talk about BDO credit card cash advance PIN. So paano nga ba mag-request guys ng BDO credit card cash advance PIN ninyo para magamit ninyo yung cash advance feature ng BDO credit cards? Pag-uusapan natin guys kung saan nga ba kayo tatawag para mag-request ng BDO credit card cash advance PIN at saka yung mga dapat nyong isaalang-alang kapag may BDO credit card cash advance PIN na kayo. At saka, i-share ko din sa inyo guys kung para saan nga ba yung BDO Credit Card Cash Advance PIN. Kasi maliban sa Cash Advance PIN purposes, yung sinasabi kong Cash Advance PIN purposes is yung kapag magka-cash advance kayo. May iba pang purpose kung bakit kailangan nyo magkaroon ng BDO Credit Card Cash Advance PIN. Pero bago yun, nais muna kitang imbitahan na mag-subscribe sa YouTube channel ko kung bago ka pa lang kasi marami pa po akong isi-share ng mga tutorials, knowledge, and experience of mine in the future. Kaya naman huwag niyong kalimutan mag-subscribe para updated kayo lagi sa mga vlogs na i-upload ko. Yun lang po at sobrang maraming salamat po. So as you can see guys, here, to request a BDO credit card cash advance PIN, visit the BDO website, navigate to credit cards, services, then cash advance PIN. Siguro aware naman kayo guys sa BDO online or BDO website or BDO Pay. So ngayon, punta kayo sa BDO website guys, kahit sa BDO online. Punta kayo sa credit cards, hanapin yung credit card section, tapos hanapin niyo yung services, then cash advance PIN. Ngayon kung nalilito kayo, naguguluhan, hindi nyo mahanap sa BDO online or BDO Pay or sa BDO website, much better to call BDO Official Contact Center para mag-request ng BDO Credit Card Cash Advance PIN. At least, diba, kung tumawag kayo rin, kung may iba pang kayong concern, at least, mas itatanong mo at masasagot nila kaagad. Pero kung may alam naman kayo sa BDO Online at BDO Pay or BDO website, i-explore nyo na lang. Punta kayo sa credit card section, then services, then cash advance PIN. Then request kayo doon. Kasi may options doon. Pag napunta niyo sa credit card cash advance PIN, may request cash advance PIN na option doon. Ngayon, kung hindi nyo naman alam, gusto nyo talaga tumawag, andito yung official hotline number ni BDO Contact Center para makapag-request kayo ng BDO Credit Card Cash Advance PIN. 632-8888-0000. In short, 632-488-40. Yun yung official hotline number ni BDO. The 4-digit PIN is required for ATM withdrawals up to your available limit. So as you can see, yung 4-digit PIN is kailangan siya para makapag-withdraw kayo. Good as cash yun na. Kapag nag-withdraw kayo using your BDO credit card, basta may cash advance PIN kayo, makakuha kayo ng cash using your BDO credit card. How to request BDO cash advance PIN? So ito yung step-by-step process guys. Ito yung detailed instructions para makapag-request kayo ng BDO credit card cash advance PIN. Via BDO website, go to the BDO official website, navigate to the personal tab, select credit cards, then services, and click on cash advance PIN to submit a request. So punta lang kayo guys sa official website, hanapin nyo lang yung personal tab, then credit cards. Siguro aware naman kayo sa BDO online or BDO website, no? Explore nyo yan para makita ninyo. Via hotline, call the BDO Contact Center at 632-488-40 to request your PIN. So for me guys, the most convenient part or the most convenient way to request for BDO Credit Card Cash Advance PIN is to call BDO Contact Center na lang talaga. Para at least kung may mga further katanungan kayo, may mga nais kayong malaman, masasagot agad ni BDO Customer Service Representative. But make sure lang guys to prepare your details. Kaya make sure na aware kayo sa mga possible questions. Wait for PIN. The PIN will be sent to your registered mobile number, typically within 3 banking days. So as you can see guys dito, the PIN will be sent to your registered mobile number. So meaning, kailangan guys, yung mobile number nung nag-apply kayo ng BDO credit card is active talaga siya. And of course, yung email address. Lahat actually ng contact details sa BDO credit card ninyo na nakalink or affiliated doon is dapat active siya. Take note of this guys. Kasi kailangan talaga yung mobile number, yung email address is active siya para ma-receive niyo yung future updates, future promotions, lahat-lahat ng updates about your BDO credit card. As you can see, typically within 3 banking days. So right after you requested, kapag tumawag kayo sa BDO Contact Center para mag-request ng BDO Credit Card Cash Advance PIN, antay kayo ng 3 days. 3 banking days ha. Bawal dito yung holidays at saka weekends. So ngayon, kapag natapat ng holiday, or weekend, 2 araw yung weekend. So, aatras siya up to 5 days yung waiting time. Important notes, the PIN allows cash withdrawals at authorized ATMs and BDO branches. So, kapag may cash advance PIN na kayo, it allows you to withdraw na using your BDO credit card anytime, anywhere. Basta may cash advance PIN kayo at saka may available pang cash advance limit yung BDO credit card ninyo. Kaya dapat aware kayo guys na yung cash advance PIN is crucial talaga siya. At hindi lang yun, ito yung sinasabi ko kanina, kapag nasa ibang bansa kayo, may ibang merchant doon or yung ibang establishment na nanghihingi ng PIN sa BDO credit cards ninyo. Kaya naman dapat may cash advance PIN talaga kayo sa BDO credit card ninyo kasi pag bumili kayo, pag hiningan kayo ng PIN, wala kayong mailalagay. So, hindi magpo-push through yung transaction ninyo. Kaya naman make sure to keep your cash advance PIN sa BDO credit card kasi kailangan nyo talaga siya kahit outside the country kayo or Philippines. Cash advance are subject to fees and interest charges. So ito guys, kailangan nyong malaman na yung cash advance is may transaction fee talaga siya. Like for example, magka-cash advance kayo sa BDO credit card ninyo. So bawat transaction nyo guys is may 3% yan na interest rate. So ngayon, bawat transaction din is may 200 pesos yan na availment fee. Take note, bawat transaction. So meaning kapag 3 beses kayo nag-transact sa isang araw, ibig sabihin 200 pesos yung magre-reflect doon sa statement of account ninyo, which is 200 pesos per transaction. So yung 3 transaction na yun, it cost around 600 pesos. Kaya naman kapag magka-cash advance kayo sa BDO credit card, make sure na finalize ninyo yung kakailanganin yung pera para hindi kayo paulit-ulit. Plus yung 3% na interest rate kapag may cash advance kayo sa BDO, sinishare ko to sa inyo guys since may cash advance PIN na kayo. So baka kasi mag-enjoy kayo kaka-cash advance. So nais kong malaman ninyo na yung cash advance interest rate sa BDO credit card is 3%. Yung 3% na yun guys is tuloy-tuloy hanggat sa hindi nyo na fully paid yung kinash advance ninyo. Like for example, nag-cash advance kayo ng 10,000. So yung 3% ng 10,000 is 300 pesos. So nais kong malaman ninyo na hanggat hindi na fully paid yung kinash advance ninyo na yon, kahit 50 pesos na lang yun, yung 3% pa rin ng 10,000 yung ipapatong sa next billing cycle. So 300 pa rin kahit 50 pesos na lang. Kasi kailangan talaga siya ma-fully paid. Nais kong malaman niyo para hindi kayo nagugulat, baka kasi isipin niyo kampante na kayo, 50 pesos na lang. Yung pala, 300 pesos pa rin yung ipapatong. Kasi baka isipin niyo, baka ano na lang, 1.50 pesos na lang yung i-charge kasi 50 pesos na lang. Hindi po ganon. Ensure your mobile number is updated with BDO to receive the PIN. So make sure lang guys talaga, tulad ng sabi ko kanina, na i-update nyo talaga yung contact details ninyo sa BDO credit card ninyo. Kasi kailangan talaga na na-access yung mobile number ninyo na nakalink doon sa BDO credit card account ninyo. So I think that's all for now. Sana may na-share ko. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. It's me again, Joseph Kate, that says, we don't have cash because we go for cashless transactions. Bye-bye!